Welcome to solve this very nice problem for the value of x. X divided by x plus x is equal to 3x. So let's come to the solution. We will find out the value of x by multiple methods. Let's try the first method. In this method, x divided by x plus x which is 3x is equal to, at the right hand side we have 3x. So now we have x divided by 3x is equal to 3x. Now multiplying both sides by 3x. X divided by 3x multiply by 3x is equal to, at the right hand side, 3x multiply by 3x. So this left hand side, 3x from denominator and 3x from numerator cancel out each other. Here x will be left is equal to 3 multiplied by 3 gives us 9, and x multiplied by x which is x squared. So now we have x is equal to 9x squared. We can write this equation as 9x squared is equal to x. Now by moving x from right hand side to left hand side, this will become negative x is equal to, here now 0 will be left. As we are interested to find out the value of x, so by taking common from left hand side x and inside 9x minus 1, because we have taken out x as a common, is equal to 0. Now by using zero product rule we get x is equal to 0 and 9x minus 1 is equal to 0. So this is the first value, and from this we get 9x is equal to 0, and by moving negative 1 from left hand side to right hand side, this will become positive. So 0 plus 1 which is 1. In the next step, dividing both sides by 9 to find out the value of x. So we get x is equal to 1 by 9. In the first method, we have found the two values of x. First one is x is equal to 0 and the second value of x is 1 by 9. Before going to the second method, let's verify that these values are valid or invalid. First we will found x is equal to 0 for this. So 0 divided by 0 plus 0 plus 0 which is 0, whether it is equal or not equal to 3 into 0. Now here 0 which has come in the denominator, so the function or equation become undefined. Hence x is equal to 0 is an extraneous root. Now we will check whether the value of x which is 1 by 9 is valid or invalid. Putting the value of x which is 1 by 9 here, 1 by 9 divided by 1 by 9 plus 1 by 9 plus 1 by 9, because here x plus x whether it is equal or not equal to 3 into x which is 1 by 9. So now 1 by 9 divide by taking LCM here we get LCM as a 9, and by adding all three terms we get 3. Whether it is equal or not equal to 3 multiplied by 3 gives us 9, so we get 1 by 3 at the right hand side. We can write this as 1 by 9 divided by 3 by 9 is equal to 1 by 3. And now change the division into multiplication. We get 1 by 9 multiply by, when we change this division sign from multiplication, so we will change numerator into denominator and denominator into numerator. This will become 9 divided by 3, whether it is equal or not equal to 1 by 3. So now these two cancel out each other. Here we will left with 1 divided by 3 is equal to 1 divided by 3. Hence our value x is equal to 1 by 9 is valid for the given expression. Now let's find the value of x by second method. Here we have x divided by x plus x plus x, 3x is equal to, at the right hand side there is 3x. We can cancel out this x and x, so we get 1 by 3 at the left hand side is equal to 3x. As we are interested to find out the value of x, so dividing both sides by 3, this 3 and 3 cancel out each other. Here x will be left, and at the left hand side 1 divided by 3 multiplied by 3, which is 9. So we have found the value of x by second method, which is 1 by 9, which we have already verified it. Thank you for watching. If you have not subscribed our channel, please subscribe this.